first one that we're going to talk about is toptal.com, right? You know that these Upworks and other freelancing websites, most of them are densely populated. Most of them, there is too much competition, but these ones that are new, less populated, and are working with organizations like Shopify to match remote job to freelancers, these ones are actually better. And I want you to look at toptal.com. Here you can apply as a freelancer or you can hire a top talent, but in this website they prefer to match the top 3% of freelance talent to the remote jobs. So you must be a top notch if you are applying on this website. How do you apply? Just click on apply as a freelancer and you are going to apply for this website. These are the testimonies. I've been working with top talent. So it is a website that organizations have actually trusted for a while, and many organizations are rushing to get talent from this TopTal. I would advise you, if you're a freelancer or if you're a young person that is looking to grow, register on TopTal and start applying for remote jobs. Another website I want to talk about is authenticjobs.com, the leading job board for designers, developers, and creative pro. So if you're a developer, you're a creative pro, and you're a designer, check out authenticjobs.com. There are a lot of jobs and these jobs are ready to be pushed. Please check out authenticjobs.com. The next one that we're going to talk about is textbroker.com, right? Ready for enthusiastic users. We deliver the right content. You can sign up for free the content writing service to create unique written copy. So if you're a writer and you are looking for people that you are going to write articles, textbooks, content for, I want you to look at textbroker.com. What you need: basic article, in-depth article with foreign languages. They're going to match you with people who need your services. They're going to match you with people who need the kind of content that you are writing for you to be able to make money from it. And the best one among them is hubstafftalent.net, right? If you go down to hubstafftalent.net, you will see a lot of jobs that are being posted. You will even see, look at the people who are already working there. Stella Chinwendu Onuaha, Machuku Mesama Favor. So many freelancers that are already working there. I will expect you to check out hubstafftalent.net. These are the jobs that have been posted: full-time junior AI engineer, senior operation manager, full stack developer. You can click on view jobs to see all the jobs, and you can even get it from any country. Look at the jobs in Philippines, jobs in India, jobs in United States, jobs in Nigeria. Just click on view all jobs and you can be able to filter the kind of jobs that you want. If you are looking for a customer care, if you are looking for a developer, if you are looking for a graphic designer, I will expect you to check out hubstafftalent.net because they are the real deal. So guys, I hope you're able to learn something new today. I hope you will be able to go and check out these portals, the job portals that I mentioned. I hope you will not just watch this video and skip. Don't forget that if you don't try, you will not know if you get the job. Please remember to subscribe to our Academic Technology channel and see you on our next video.